Hi everyone, welcome to this video on note making strategy. Today we are going to talk about how to make notes, and I am going to show you my handwritten notes as samples. I believe that this is the most challenging element of any exam, and if you don't do it properly, you can end up wasting a lot of time. So firstly, we are going to talk about why you should make notes. In my opinion, note making is an important aspect of any examination because, first of all, you can revise all the important information quickly. Because the reason for note making is that you should be able to revise well in less time. And second of all, you can collect all the information at one place because we read from various resources, so it's important that we collect all the information at one place. And third, it helps in answer writing because you make notes in your own words, so it will definitely help you in your answer writing. And now we will figure out that how to make notes. So first thing is, you should use A4 size blank sheets and keep them in folders because it's easy to handle and you can add a sheet whenever you need to add. Or you can make digital notes also because it helps in editing and updating your notes with ease. And second is, write short sentences. Please don't use long sentences. You need to be very precise so you can revise your notes easily. Please don't copy paste the exact same sentence used in book. See a sample of my notes of NCERT. I've only used short sentences. And the next thing is, please include maps, diagrams, flowcharts, bullet points to your notes because these things help you to be precise. And see, some of my notes I have included maps, charts, diagrams, bullet points. And if you want a video on how to make notes from NCERT or how to make notes from NCERT chapter wise of all the subjects, let me know in the comments. So, never make notes in paragraphs. Please don't do this because it's easier to remember facts through diagrams and it'll help you to get some extra marks in your exams also. And the most important thing is, don't start making your notes during the first reading of any book, or else you'll write each and every detail because you need to cover various dimensions of a topic but in a precise manner. So your first reading should be a quick reading. And after making your notes, now what you people need to do is that highlight the keywords so you can quickly revise all the important information just before your exams. And this type of notes will help you in any type of exam. Again, see some of my notes. I've only highlighted keywords. So friends, I hope you found this video helpful. Then press the like button and subscribe my channel to get such more contents. And if you have any query, let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching.